Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Right now we're just, me and my friends and my brother are just on the way back from, they're just going home from a bike ride. We're in the woods right now, so it's only going to be a short video because when we get out of the woods I'm going to do a time lapse back to my house. The time lapse will be out. When you see this, it will be Monday. The time lapse that I'm going to do is already out because it's not out yet. But when you see it, it will be out. So that will be on my shorts, possibly on my shorts. Maybe this will be in an actual video. We'll see. So yeah, I'm just on a bike ride at the moment. Yeah. This might be out today, but... Bye. 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 My friends have just gone there. They've just gone home. They have to go a different way. Just me and my brother now. Going home. So yeah. Yeah. No one's working on the phone. Not even construction. Yeah. Pretty hard. We're almost at the end of the woods, so soon is going to be the end of the video. But go check out my time lapse of me getting to my house. After this video. Almost to the top. Ooh, spot. Alright guys, we're at the top. That's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go check out my time lapse right now. See you guys. Peace.